Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Multi-head attention is a key component in transformer neural networks, allowing the model to focus on different parts of the input sequence simultaneously. Here's a tutorial on how multi-head attention works and how you can code it in Python using pytorch. #Understanding multi-head attention. In multi-head attention, the input sequence is split into multiple parts or heads. Each head computes its own attention scores independently, providing multiple perspectives on the input sequence. These attention scores are then concatenated and linearly transformed to produce the final output. The key steps in the multi-head attention mechanism are as follows. 1. Linearly project the input into queries, keys, and values for each head. 2. Compute attention scores for each head using the queries, keys, and values. 3. Concatenate the outputs of all heads. 4. Apply a final linear transformation to obtain the multi-head attention output. #Coding multi-head attention in pytorch. Here's an example code snippet that demonstrates how to implement multi-head attention in pytorch. In the code above, we define a multi-head attention module with linear layers for queries, keys, values, and output transformation. In the forward method, we compute the multi-head attention output following the steps described earlier. Finally, we create an instance of multi-head attention and apply it to example input tensors to obtain the multi-head attention output. Feel free to experiment with different parameters and input sizes to better understand how multi-head attention works in transformer neural networks.